I'm back this time with a paneer recipe. Stay tuned. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today's recipe is a spicy and tangy paneer dish. It's called Achari Paneer. The detailed ingredients for this recipe is given in the description box. Please do check it out. So let's have a look at the ingredients required for the Achari masala. So I've got in here dry red chillies, onion seeds or kalonji, coriander seeds, Fenugreek Seeds or Methi, mustard seeds, Cumin Seeds, Fennel Seeds. We'll also need some amchur, Turmeric Powder and Hing or asafoetida. So let's first make the masala. I've got a pan on fire on medium flame. We'll dry roast all the spices in this pan. We'll wait for it to give out its aroma. We're going to only use 1 tablespoon of this masala in this recipe, but you can make this Achari masala and store it in an airtight container and add it to your dals, curries, sabjis, etc. The masalas are all dry roasted now. Now we'll cool this and grind them into a powder. Before we grind them, we'll add in the asafoetida, amchur powder and turmeric powder. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for the Achari Paneer. In here I've got paneer which I've made cubes out of. I've got some cubed capsicum, some green peas, a wedge of lime, some finely chopped tomato, ginger garlic paste, 1 slit green chilli. In here I've got curd into which I've added 1.5 teaspoon of maida or all-purpose flour. I've got Kasuri Methi in here. In here I've got the Achari masala which I've made in advance and kept. I've got some Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, amchur powder or dry mango powder, salt to taste, crushed corianders and finely chopped onion. Apart from this, we need oil to cook the dish in. So let's start making the paneer. I've placed a kadai on medium flame with some oil, 2 tablespoons of oil in it. The oil is nice and hot. In goes finely chopped onions. Let's cook the onions until they are slightly brown. The onions have started turning brown slightly. Now we'll add in the slit green chilli and the ginger and garlic paste. The onions, ginger, garlic have turned nice and brown. Let's add in the tomatoes. We cook the tomatoes for 3 to 4 minutes. The tomatoes are cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I've got the curd which I've whisked with the maida or all-purpose flour. Let's add that to this. So I've added the curd and the maida mixture. Let's cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. So the curd has cooked for 2 to 3 minutes and you can see the oil has come out. Now let's add in the Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, amchur powder, salt to taste, crushed coriander. And 1 tablespoon of the Achari masala that we have made freshly. Mix everything together. The masalas are nicely cooked. The oil is oozed out. Now let's add in 1 cup of water. Mix everything together. And we'll bring this to a boil. Gravy has come to a boil. Now we'll add in the green peas, capsicum and the paneer. Mix it all well. Now we'll cover and cook this on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes or until the green piece is done. So the paneer has cooked in the gravy for 4 to 5 minutes and it's thickened nicely now. At this stage we'll add in the Kasuri Methi. And the lime juice. Mix well and we'll let it boil for a minute more. I've let it boil for 1 minute. Now the dish is ready. So that's Achari Paneer ready for you. Serve this with some parathas or rotis. The Achari masala that we prepared for this dish can be used for different dishes like Achari, chicken, mutton, etc. So you can make this in bulk and store it in an airtight container and use as and when required. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and while subscribing, please do click the bell. Until I see you next time, bye bye.